Hey guys, did you miss me? I know, it's been a while, but we've been so busy with all these projects the past couple of months. So yeah, I've been MIA for a bit. Okay, well actually for a while, but I'm back and I'm so excited to share some fresh content with you guys. We have so many exciting projects lined up for the rest of the year and I cannot wait to share them with all of you. So anyways, why don't we start over? So there is this saying that goes, the home is where the heart is. And that couldn't be more true for today's client because they are going to be coming home from abroad, you guys. So for today's episode on Acasa Living, we are going to be designing an entire house. We are going to be turning this into this. Our client wanted a coastal Nordic design. What does that mean? Okay, so that means they were very particular about the colors and the look and feel of their space. So they actually sent us a color story, some color swatches of the colors they wanted to see in their space, and even pegs as well. So we worked from there. This project was super exciting for us because, of course, the client lives abroad. Client lives in Dubai, and so we never actually met them face to face until the day of the reveal. So there was a lot of back and forth. Zoom calls, emails, and presentations. You know, it's very, very exciting for us at Acasa. So a few days before we finished, I visited the site and I wanted to take you guys with me, you know, to show you guys a little bit more of what goes on behind the scenes. So let me show you guys around. Okay guys, so we're here on site. We are checking on one of our interior design projects. It's a little loud because there's a lot of construction going on. We're close to almost finishing, so let's see what's happening inside. When we started this project, we came in when the house was already built, so you know, we didn't really have a lot of say in the finishings on the floors or the cabinetry choices. Everything was already existing, so we're literally coming in just to style the house itself. So this is the living space. Our client didn't want a coffee table, so there's not going to be a coffee table in this space. So what we did instead was we gave them side tables and we added a little tray on top of the couch so that they can put, you know, their glass of water on top of. Okay, so this is, you know, the dining, kitchen area. The dining table, oh my gosh, you guys, we had to change the color of the dining table so many times. And then we decided to strip the paint and just go with the natural wood color of the table anyways. But of course, we were very happy with the end result and so were the clients, and that's what matters. So in the kitchen, we have a problem with the oven. We're not gonna mention the brand, but it's defective. The door of the oven is not aligned and it bothers me, so we need to replace the door, actually no, the entire oven, because yeah, we need a better one, we need a new one. So it's one of those like really small minor things that most people won't notice right away, but you know, if you've been living in the house for longer, you'll definitely notice it. So it was important that we took care of that. So this AC unit is not getting cold, so we need to replace the whole thing. Oh, there's Bernie, don't hide, it's all candid. No, it's fine, it's all candid. So yeah, we need to replace the air conditioning unit because this is a no-no. It needs to get cold, you know, it's too hot. We thought we had to change it because it just wasn't getting cold and we were ready to replace it, but it turns out when the technician came to check on it, it just needed some Freon. So, whew. I'm not perfect and nothing ever goes smoothly. Down here is like the powder room. but the powder room has a shower because our clients, they weren't gonna have a helper's room or a maid's room, so they wanted to convert this this room into another guest room. It's really small. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but there was also a pocket garden or a light well on the ground floor. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, when I did my mom's house, she also had a light well, and we left that there as a future provision to put in an elevator. But of course, not all clients want to put in an elevator. But it's good that it's there, because just in case, again, down the line, they might change their minds. And so, yeah. Again, the client didn't want an elevator, so you have to work around that. And so, hence the storage room being turned into a bedroom. Okay, so up here on the second floor, we have the pride wall. What's a pride wall? A wall where you can display all of your medals and trophies. Girl, sana all may pride wall. If you noticed, some of the frames are blank. That's because they didn't get to send over all the medals, but we had the frames made already so that when the medals do arrive, it's easy na lang to just, you know, put them into the frame. So yeah, I think it's a really cute space. See, may medals din ako, no? Akala mo ikaw lang. This is one of the guest rooms. We had some issues in here because of this little wall right here. We were supposed to orient the bed the way you would normally orient the bed. However, if we place the bed how we normally would, we wouldn't be able to open the closet. Tatama siya sa bed. So we decided to flip the bed and reorient it into like a day bed. And it worked. It fit right into the space. So this is the hygge room. You guys, it's a thing now. In this room, what bothers me the most is this. I can't stand seeing the wires, so I'm gonna have our guys come in and chip the wall and bring the socket from down there to up here in the back so that we don't see it, and then I'll be nice and happy about it. But yeah, it's really bothering me. And another thing as well, another small issue lang naman that I have in this room is this wall looks so bare. So I'm gonna order more artwork from Cray to put above the daybed. We made this built-in, really deep couch. It could be a bed also, and there's a pull-out as well. Quickly show you. But yeah, this is a pull-out, so if they want to do sleepovers, this can also convert into another guest room. We need to put some tint. Yeah, tint. We need to put some tint on the windows. Now, when you have neighbors, you don't really want people peeking in to the bathroom when you're doing your business. So we actually covered the windows with some frosting, and it was really easy to do. It's literally just sticker paper, and voila, privacy. So this is the master bedroom. This is where the mom is gonna sleep, of course. It's pretty plain. I mean, we put in all the big pieces, but of course, like with any house, it's, you know, they're moving, so they're gonna be bringing stuff with them into the house, and we don't wanna over style it and over clutter it because they wanna incorporate all their personal stuff as well. So yeah, this is the master bedroom. Hello. Are you BB cleaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. The professional cleaners are in. Another thing that's really important to us at Acasa is that we make sure that when we turn over the home, it's nice and clean. So in today, we also have Busy Bee Cleaning Co. sprucing up and making sure that the house is clean and disinfected for our client. If you notice, I think we have 3 workstations scattered across the house. So in this room we have this, and I love it. I think it's so cute. And then of course the bed over here. So we're outside in the garden space. If you look down and you notice, we used fake grass. This is called AstroTurf. I think it's fantastic because it looks great, it's super low maintenance, it's easy to clean, and it doesn't die. Our clients were going to be going back and forth to Dubai, and so by putting in AstroTurf, you know, it's lower maintenance, of course, it doesn't die. Again, it's easier to clean, and it looks good. Also, on the outside by the garden, we had to build a little storage and laundry area because, of course, the storage room on the inside was turned into a bedroom. So you have to adjust your clients' needs, and they needed a laundry area and storage room. Over here is the laundry and service area. So we have a little sink going, we have the washing machine. Oh, we are missing the rails. So this is where we're gonna be hanging, you know, the clothes. This is our little solution to, you know, one of our problems, our clients' requests. So another thing I noticed while I was doing the walkthrough was plastic pots that were not very pleasing to the eye. So we changed them to clay pots instead, and they look so much better. So now that the house is clean and ready, it was time for the reveal. Kaya lang, siya si client. So ako na lang yung magre-reveal. Our client has been living abroad for so many years, and you know, helping them create their dream home has made us at Acasa Living feel quite special. I am Maggie, and let me help you turn your home into your own personal sanctuary. Thank you guys for watching. You know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.